So welcome to arithmetic classes. So in the last sessions we have discussed two episodes in another channel, that is MAM Math Zone channel. So in MAM Math Zone channel I am going to discuss the concepts, but in this channel I am going to discuss the problems. So today we shall start the problems. So problems on ratio and proportion. So we shall have a discussion on problems. Okay, my dear students, all of you subscribe to this channel also. MAM Math Zone. Subscribe to this channel also. So in this the concept will be discussed. Problems will be discussed in this channel. Okay, I hope it's very clear to you. Now let us move to the first problem now. So all of you look at the screen. First note on the first problem. If A is to B equals to 2 is to 3 and B is to C equals to 4 is to 5. So then find or what is A is to B is to C. So this is the question. So in the examination options will be given, but moreover let us do as a problem itself only. So let me explain the directly super shortcut itself only. Here see what is given. A is to B given that 2 is to 3. B is to C is given that 4 is to 5. Then you are asked to find out A is to B is to C. So now how to proceed? The solution you see. First, my dear students, A is to B rider. A is to B is equal to, you can write 2 is to 3. Clear? And next B is to C rider. B is to C. So B is to C is equal to rider. So this is 4 is to 5. So now in order to find out A is to B is to C, you follow this shortcut. So you multiply 2 with 4, 3 and 4, then 3 and 15. See now therefore we get A is to B is to C is equal to, A is to B is to C is equal to, we can write 2 into 4 is to 3 into 4 is to 3 into 5. So then what is our answer? You can chart with me. So what's our answer? 2 4 ja 8, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. Yes, this is the answer. I hope it's very clear to you now. So now let us move to second question. So all of you look at the screen now. Second question. If x is to y equals to 3 is to 5 and y is to z equal to 2 is to 3, then find x is to y is to z. So what is the value of x is to y is to z? Can you find out? So without wasting time, so you can chart directly. What's our answer? What is your answer? So now instead of writing everything directly, let us proceed like this. Write down first 3 is to 5 rider. 3 is to 5. So under this 2 is to 3 rider. 2 is to 3. Now you follow this strategy. Multiply 3 with 2, multiply 5 with 2 and multiply 5 with 3. So therefore we get x is to y is to z is equal to. So now what's your answer? So what's your answer? That is 3 into 2 is to 5 into 2 is to 5 into 3. Yes, you are correct. Now this is 6 is to 10 is to 15. Even non-math students also are able to do this problem in an easy manner itself only. Okay, let us move to third question. Third question. Third question. If A is to B equals to 4 is to 7, 4 is to 7, and C is to B equals to 3 is to 2, then find A is to B is to C. Okay, can you find out? So don't get any confusion. First of all, read the question carefully, then apply the super shortcut. Then you are able to do the shortcut. Apply the shortcut itself only. But check the problem before going to solve the problem. Here A is to B is given, that 4 is to 7. But here C is to be given, that is 3 is to 2. But B is to C is not given. So here you need to find out B is to C. That's very important. That means reciprocal ratio of C is to B we need to find out. So that will be 2 is to 3. Now easily you can crack. That means A is to B is known and B is to C is known. Now we need to find out A is to B is to C. How could you find? See, my dear students, this we can write 4 is to 7. As the C is to be given, B is to C is 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 write down. So apply the shortcut. So multiply 4 into 2, multiply 7 into 2, multiply 7 into 3. So what's your answer? What is your answer? I will wait for 2 seconds or even 30 seconds also I will wait. What's your answer? Are you able to solve this question or not? So without paper pen also we can solve it. So that means 4 3 ja, here 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 7 into 2, 7 into 3. So what's our answer now? A is to B is to C is equal to 4 into 2 is to 7 into 2 is to 7 into 3. So what's our answer? Yes, 8 is to 14 is to 21. Yes, you are absolutely correct. So this is your answer. Right. Okay, let us move to yet another problem. Right. So now fourth question. Are you ready? A equals to 2 by 3 of B. It's very interesting. And B equals to 5 by 7 of C. Then find A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C. Can you solve this problem? Can you solve this problem? Look at the screen carefully, read the question and try to solve the problem. So try to solve the problem. Try the solve. So now as A is equal to 2 by 3 of B, are you able to write A is to B? So here A equals to 2 by 3 of B, B is equal to 5 by 7 of C. Then now we need to write A is to B. It's very simple. A is to B is same as we know that A by B. A by B is equal to, we can have 2 by 3. Am I correct? So in the similar manner, B by C is equal to 5 by 7. As the concept of the ratio, A by B is nothing but A is to B. That implies that here indirectly A is to B given that 2 is to 3. Whereas B is to C is equal to 5 is to 7. That means A is to B and both B is to C are known. So now easily we can find out A is to B is to C, applying the super shortcut. Let us apply the super shortcut. How to apply? First 2 is to 3 write down. Under this 5 is to 7 write down. Then what shall we do now here? So 2 into 5, 3 into 5 and 3 into 7. So required ratio A is to B is to C is equal to 2 into 5 is to 3 into 5 is to 3 into 7. So what's our answer? 10. This is 15. This is 21. 10 is to 15 is to 21. I hope it's very clear to you. Now shall I give one more question? So will you try? Will you try? Okay. Am I audible to you? Yes or no? You need to chat. Yes or no? You need to chat. So let us move to the fifth question. Fifth question. So for concepts, actually you need to refer MAM Math Zone. Just type in the Google, you will be getting MAM Math Zone channel also. You subscribe to that channel. The total concepts will be discussed in that channel. Problems will be discussed in SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. You remember. Now fifth question. If P equals to 3 by 5 of Q means multiplied Q, and Q equals to 1 by 3 of R, then find P is to Q is to R. Find P is to Q is to R. Okay, can you find out? You try this question. Try this question. Okay, what is your answer? So first read the question. Let me read the question. If P is equal to 3 by 5 times Q and Q is equal to 1 by 3 times R, then find P is to Q is to R. So my dear students, here P by Q is nothing but 3 by 5. So that implies P is to Q is nothing but 3 by 5. Clear? So Q by R equals to 1 upon 3. So Q is to R is equal to 1 is to 3. So Q is to 3. This we can write. Wait now 1 minute. This is 3 is to 5. This is 1 is to 3. Am I correct? So what's our answer now? What's our answer? So can I write like this? 3 is to 5 and write down 1 is to 3. Then what we need to do? Yes, we need to multiply 3 into 1. So then we need to multiply 5 with 1. We need to multiply 5 with 3. So therefore P is to Q is to R. What do you get? So what's your answer? What is your answer? Yes, your answer is 3 times 1 is to 5 times 1 is to 5 times 3. So that is 3 is to 5 is to 15. So this is our answer. I hope it's very clear to you. Shall I move to next question? Right, let us move to sixth question. Let us move to sixth question. If A is equal to 2B, that means twice the B. We can say that A is the twice the B, 2 times B or double the B. And B is equal to 3 times C, that is 3C, triple the C. Then find A is to B is to C. Okay, try this question. First of all, my dear students, watch regularly this channel. Definitely this will be useful for different competitive entrance examination, not only SI constable examination, SSC CGL examination, even campus recruitment examinations also. So these questions are very important. Even banking examinations also, even public service commission examinations. So these are very important. Arithmetic is very important. It plays major role. So my dear students, how could you solve this problem? So can I write like this? A by B equals to 2. 2 means we can write as a rational number, 2 upon 1. So that implies A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. So now B by C equals to 3. That can be written 3 by 1. So B is to C is equal to, we can write 3 is to 1. Now apply the shortcut. So we need to apply the shortcut. What is the super shortcut we have to find A is to B is to C? Here 2 is to 1 write down. Below here 3 is to 1 write down. Next what shall we do? So multiply like this, 2 into 3 and 1 into 3 and 1 into 1. So therefore A is to B is to C equals to, what do you get? 2 into 3, clear? 2 into 3. Next 1 into 3. So next what do we get? 1 into 1. So what is your answer? You are not charting, you need to chart it. That is 6 is to 3 is to 1. So am I correct now? You check your answers, all of you. Okay, let us move to yet another problem. Yet another problem. Right. Let us move to seventh question. Seventh question. If 2a equals to 3b, right, and 4b equals to 5c, 4b equals to 5c, then find A is to B is to C. Okay, all of you read the question carefully, look at the screen, right? So once again, all of you subscribe to MAM Math Zone channel. So in that the concept will be, the more concept will be discussed on arithmetic chapters, all chapters. Then only in this channel problems will be discussed. Right. So my dear students, how to solve this problem? 2a is equal to 3b. Can we write like this? A by b equals to 3 by 2. So if you cross multiply, you get same thing only. So this can be written B by C equals to, we can write 5 by 4. So that means here A is to B. What do you mean by A is to B? Ratio between A and B. That is 3 is to 2. Then what do you say about the ratio between B and C? That is B is to C is equal to 5 is to 4. Now apply our super shortcut. What is the super shortcut? We need to apply to find out A is to B is to C. 3 is to 2 under 5 is to 4, right? Okay, what shall we do now? Multiply like this. Okay, arrow wise. Then we get A is to B is to C. That is our required answer. So A is to B is to C is equal to, what's your answer? What is your answer? Right? So what is our answer? That is, we can write 3 times 5. Okay, 2 times 5 is to 2 times 4. So this is 15 is to 10, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. Clear? I hope it's very clear to you. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So that can be clarified in the during our sessions, right? Shall I move to next question? Shall I move to next question? Yes, let us move to yet another question. They are very interesting questions. Eighth question. If 3x equals to 5y and y equals to 2z, twice the z, 2 times z, then find x is to y is to z. X is to y is to z. Okay, what's our answer? So all of you look at the screen and try to read the question carefully and apply the super shortcut and find out without paper pen also. You can solve it. You can solve it. Right. Okay. So let us proceed for the solution. See, my dear students, 3x is equal to 5y. Can I write like this? X by y equals to 5 by 3. That implies x is to y is equal to 5 is to 3. I hope it's very clear to you. Next, from this, y by z equals to 2. 2 can be written 2 by 1 for our convenience. So y is to z is equal to 2 is to 1. That means indirectly we know the x is to y and y is to z, so that we can find out x is to y is to z. So here we can apply the trick. What is the trick we need to apply? That is also called super shortcut. So 5 is to 3 and then 2 is to 1. So my dear students, you need to multiply like this, right? So now multiply and tell me your answer. So x is to y is to z equals to 5 to z 10. Sorry. So let me write elaborately. So how could you write? This is 5 into 2. Help me. Is to 3 into 2 is to 3 into 1. So what's our answer? 5 to the 10, 3 to the 6, 3. So with the help of options also we are able to solve this problem. But so whenever options are there, I shall discuss the strategy also. Because actually we have the different kinds of strategies are to be applied while attempting any objective type questions. That can be done, explained in the objective type while dealing with the objective type questions, right? So next let us move to the ninth question now. Ninth question. If 2 by 3 of A equals to 1 by 2 of B and 3 by 4 of B equals to 1 by 3 times C, then find A is to B is to C. Then find A is to B is to C. Okay, my dear students, all of you read the question carefully, try to understand the question. Try to understand the question, right? So here very interesting now. So 2 by 3A, 1 by 2B, first cross multiply. See, my dear students, this can be rewritten as, so this can be rewritten as 2 to 4. So 4A equals to 3 1 3B. So that means we can write A by B is equal to 3 by 4. Directly we can write A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. I hope it's very clear to you. So just directly here see, this we can write 9B, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 1, 4. That is 4C. So here B is to C is equal to, we can write B by C is equal to 4 by 9. That is 4 is to 9. See my dear students, this for our super shortcut 3 is to 4. This is 4 is to 9. You need not multiply because these two are same. So directly we can write 3 is to 4 is to 9. That's our answer. So therefore A is to B is to C is equal to, we can write 3 is to 4 is to 9. So this is our answer. It's very interesting, very interesting. So even if you multiply, in general actually we need to put the ratio as the lowest terms. That is called simplest terms. So we are A is to B is to C are in simplest forms itself only. Right? So you think about the reciprocal ratio of A is to B is to C also. You think, you try to solve it. So next 10th question. 10th question. So let us solve 10th question. If 2A equals to 3B equals to 4C, then find A is to B is to C. Right, then find A is to B is to C. So my dear students, try to solve this question. So right. Okay. So just 2A is equal to 3B. Check these two. So now with the help of this we can write it directly. We can write A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. Clear? Now check these two. 3B is equal to 4C. So B is to C is equal to, we can write 4 is to 3. Apply the trick. Let us apply the trick. So what is the trick? 3 is to 2 write down. Here 4 is to 3 write down. So multiply like this, so as to get the required ratio. So now A is to B is to C is equal to 3 into 4, 2 into 4 is to 2 into 3. So what's your answer? 12 is to 8 is to 6 is the answer. So that means my dear students, if you want to write directly from this one also we can write it. How to write? Let me explain direct method. Here 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C. We need A is to B is to C. How to find out means just 3 into 4 write down 12 is to 2 into 4 write down 8. Next 3 into 2 write down 6. So directly we can write. So once again 3 into 4 12. Next 2 into 4 8. 3 into 2 6 is completed. Okay. Suppose for example, see one note, you remember my dear students, note. For example like this is there. PA is to QB is to RC. Then sorry, 1 minute. Let me write like this. If PA equals to QB equals to RC, then A is to B is to C is equal to. How to find out? See, If you want to find out A, just keep like this round. You multiply this Q into R right now. Q into R is to. Next, if you want to find out QB, then multiply P into R. P into R right now. So is to. Then if you want to find out this C, so now P into Q multiply. P into Q. So that means you will be getting QR is to PR is to PQ. So that means by practicing slowly, if you observe the pattern in the problem directly without paper pen also you can solve in the examination. So I can explain in Telugu also. Venkata Krishna, thank you for actually. Definitely I will explain Telugu also. Don't worry. In another channel, that is actually you subscribe to this channel. AMEM Math Zone. So in this channel I will discuss in Telugu. Don't worry. Separate class I will conduct it. Don't worry. Right. So next. So 11th question. Let's have a discussion on 11th question. Right. If x is equal to 3y equals to 5z, then find x is to y is to z. X is to y is to z. So welcome Venkata Krishna. Welcome Venkata Krishna. So share to your friends also. It will be very useful. What are you doing? Just chat with me. Right. So I will explain both the methods. Don't worry. Both the methods I will explain. So first method and this is the first method. So first method means first x is to y write down. X is to y is equal to, that is 3 is to 1. Next y is to z write down. Y is to z is equal to 5 is to 3. We can apply super shortcut. Okay, definitely Mahesh Sardana, I will explain all the chapters. So 3 is to 1 and next 5 is to 3 write down. So you need to multiply like this. I hope it's very clear. Required ratio means x is to y is to z, that is equal to 3 into 5 is to 1 into 5 is to 1 into 3. So that what do we get? 15 is to 5 is to 3. So this is second method. Second method is suppressing method. Suppressing method means suppress x. Here x is to y is to z is equal to, you need to multiply like this. So 5 into 3 write down. 5 into 3 is to, we need y, suppress this one. Here 1, x coefficient is 1. So 1 into this 5. 1 into 5 is to suppress this one. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. So answer is 15 is to 5 is to 3. You check both the answers. So both are correct. Okay, in this way we can solve. Okay, definitely Nagaraju Kandikonda, I will explain even word problems too. Just I have started the problems today itself only. So just keep going, keep watching. Definitely I will discuss word problems also. Right. Today the first class on arithmetic and regarding problems. I already discussed the concepts in other channel, that is MAM Math Zone channel. You can subscribe. Now subscribe this channel. Subscribe, right? Subscribe MAM Math Zone channel. Then so you will have the concepts. So next let us move to 12th question now. 12th question. It's very interesting question. This also we can do shortcut method. If a upon 2 or a by 2 equals to b by 3 equals to c by 5. Then find a is to b is to c. So these classes are absolutely free, we don't charge anything. So right. So my dear students, how to solve this problem? Two methods I will explain. The first method. So first method is actually, you can write this is a by b equals to 2 by 3. That implies a is to b is equal to 2 is to 3. Am I correct? Okay. Next, b by 3 is equal to c by 5. That is b by c equals to 3 by 5. So we can write b is to c is equal to 3 is to 5. Super shortcut, 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 5. So these two are same. That's why directly we can write. Our answer is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Now one more trick you can apply. So whenever the problem is like this, directly we can apply this trick. Suppose a by p, b by q is equal to c by r. Then my dear students, directly a is to b is to c is equal to, we can write p is to q is to r. That's why 2 is to 3 is to 5. So our answer is absolutely 2 is to 3 is to 5. It's clear? I hope it's very clear to you. Yes or no? You need to chart. Yes or no? You need to chart. So if you chart itself only, so definitely I will change my strategy. So otherwise I will continue in this way itself only. But you need to encourage and you need to chart. Right. So let us move to yet another question. Yet another question. Right. Thirteenth question. Are you ready? If 6 is to x is as, that means their proportion 3 is to 5, then find x. Okay, are you able to find this question? If 6 comma x comma 3 comma 5 are in proportion, then find the value of x. This is the question. If they are proportion, so that means, my dear students, remember this symbol indicates equals to. So that means now we can write like this: 6 is to x equals to 3 is to 5. If they are proportion, we have one beautiful concept. What is the concept? Product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. That means product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. That means we can write 3 into x equals to 6 into 5. We need x, so x equals to 6 into 5 upon 3. So what do you get now? 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So our answer is 10. I hope it's very clear to you. Right now? Otherwise, very simple way we can do it. Very simple way we can write. So now the relationship between 6 and 3, you just see like this: 6 is to x is equal to 3 is to 5. So now see the relation between 3 and 6. What is the relation? Into 2. So that means x can be obtained from 5 into 2. So x is equal to 10. So in a simple manner we can solve. So without performing this method also, directly with the help of this one, we can find out what is the relation between the first terms of both ratios. 3 times 2. So that how do you get x? By multiplying 2 with 5, then you get the 10 answer. So this is also one of the easy method we can adopt. So that you need to think of. So other than these methods also, you need to get it by practicing so many problems in the examination, right? So now 14th question. Let us move to 14th question. Thank you Mahesh. Thank you Mahesh Sardana. Thank you. If a is to 8 equals to 5 is to 2, 5 is to 2. So then find the value of a, unknown value. Find the value of a. What is the value of a? So with the help of options also we can solve this problem. First let us do the two methods, first method and also the super shortcut method. So what is the first method? So product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. That means a into 2 equals to 8 into 5. So what is a? 8 into 5 upon 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. 4 into 5, 20. So our answer is 20. Absolutely correct Mahesh. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So now observation method. So a is to 8 is equal to 5 is to 2. So observe the relation between these two. 2 into 4. So that means here a will be into 4. So 5 into 4. A is equal to, we can write 5 into 4. So answer is 20. So whatever easy method you can adopt in the examination. Yes, Mahesh, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Right. Shall I move to next question? 15th question. So all of you practice all these 15 questions. Once again watch the video. If you have any doubt in the offline session also, you need to chat with me, no problem. If 1 upon 125 is to 1 upon 25 is as or equals to 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon x, then find x, then find x, then find x. Okay, what's your answer? What is your answer? What is your answer? Venkata Krishna, are you there? Nagaraju, are you there? Mahesh, are you there? Here. So my dear students, you remember one thing. Suppose 1 upon a is to 1 upon b equals to 1 upon p is to 1 upon q. So this we can write like this. So now this we can write a here. Right, 1. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Right. Absolutely correct, absolutely correct. This will be. So now here 1 by a is to 1 by b is equal to 1 by p is to 1 by q. So now if you write the reciprocals on both sides, what do you get now? A is to b is equal to, we can write p is to q. So that means here, my dear students, we can write this is 5 is to x is equal to 125 is to 25. Okay. So right. So 5 into 25, x into 125. So product of the means, x into 125 is equal to 5 into 25. So x equals to 125 by 125. Then what do we get? Yes, 1. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Because actually you see one logic you can apply here also. What is the logic means? To get 25, 5 should be multiplied with 5. Clear? So to get 125, we need to multiply 5x is equal to 125. You go the reverse order. So that means divide by, so this is 5 5 ja 25. Okay. Now 5 into 5 25, right? Okay. It does not work, right? I will check it now. I will check it. Right. So 1 is your answer. Okay. See, how can you solve this one now? Sorry. 1 minute. I did a mistake here. So we need to do separately. So 1 minute. Now see the relation here. For 5 and 25 we need to the relation. What is the relation now? 5 into 25 you will be getting 125. So in a reverse, how do you get now from here to here? Divide by 25. So x is equal to 25 divided by 25. So you will be getting 1. So this is the observation method of super shortcut method. Yes, Ailaya, absolutely correct. Okay, thank you. We shall meet you in the next session. Tomorrow we shall have the class, definitely. So thank you. Bye bye. I hope you might have enjoyed a lot. Right. Thank you.